Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a comparison video with Canva. We type Canva in the search engine and open Canva. Here we can select the video section, or we can click on the first option by typing a video here. We create a new blank video. I choose a square from the Elements section and adjust its dimensions according to my own will. I color it according to my wish. Now I select a hexagon and apply the same operations to it. I am duplicating the square and making it a thin rectangle with the copy-paste method. I also color this. Once again, but this time I create a thicker rectangle and color it. Finally, I create another square and color it, and the template is almost ready. I add an outline to make the hexagon look nicer. Now we move on to the text insertion process. Let's add a title. I'm placing it randomly because I'll make the necessary corrections at the end. Adding a subtitle. I create another small text box by copy-pasting and duplicating it. I'm starting to edit now. Adding another title. Now I'm uploading a photo I downloaded earlier. I leave some space at the top so that maybe I can write a description. You can write a description here. I'm remaking a video I posted on my channel before. You can find that video with the title Universe Size Comparison. Now I select the whole template and duplicate it like this. I select all again and create a group. Click on Animate. Here, when we select the drift option, it scrolls to the right. When I choose the option to swipe to the left, it says I need to upgrade to Premium. So I'm going to show it from the tectonic part. In this way, it moves a little fast. We extend the duration of the video in this way to slow down and adjust the speed as we want. That's all it. Now we are downloading our video and watching it for the last time. It allows us to download in 1080px. This is how it ended up. I hope the video helped. If you want more such videos to come, you can subscribe to my channel and like and comment on the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.